Hello guys, welcome. I'm Prinunestv and today I'm gonna explain you something about passive voice, okay? Are you ready? So just take your notes and let's go. Okay, so we have two kinds of voices, okay, if I could say that. We have active voice and we have passive voice. So active, we say, the dog ate the food. So the dog ate the food. Who ate the food? The dog, right? So if you say using the passive voice, you're gonna say the food was eaten by the dog. The food was eaten by the dog. So here we have the food and we have the verb to be into the past, so was, and we have the participle of the verb eat, so eaten, right? And by the dog. So it's the person or the subject who ate the food, in this case, the dog. So that's the way it works. That's the way it goes. The dog ate the food or the food was eaten by the dog. Okay, so I'm gonna give you some more examples. John built this house. John built this house. So let's try. It's your turn now. I'm gonna help you, right? We have John built this house. So who built this house? John. Okay, so we know that we're gonna use John when we talk about the passive voice. We take this house was, because it's singular, so use the past of is and it's was. And this house was built by John because John built the house. So the passive is like that. Don't forget to use the participle when it's a coincidence here, but built is also past or participle. I wrote the letter. I wrote the letter. This is active voice. So if we change to passive voice, it's going to be like the letter was written by me. And if it was like I wrote the letters, it's plural, it would be the letters were written by me. Okay, so in this case we use were because it's the plural and it's the past of are, were. And we have the participle, which is written, not writing, okay? So just be careful about your pronunciation, and that's the way it goes. The letters were written by me or the letter was written by me. We also have the negative. So for example, if I say using the active voice, I didn't make the cake, so it's negative. And if I change into the passive voice, it would be like the cake wasn't made by me. The cake wasn't made by me. Okay? That's it. It's so easy. It's a piece of cake. By the way, have you subscribed my channel? If you don't, just do it right now. Hit the like button and send me any comments if you need something, okay? Let me know. Bye, take care.